Hello, thank you for tuning in. This video is about being a vegetarian. I became a vegetarian while I was investigating information about a Swiss farmer named Billy Meier. Billy Meier was mentioned in a top secret report about meditation. The CIA classified his light meditation as top secret. They determined that it would not be good for the secret intelligence agencies if the general public were to start living longer, healthier lives. Interesting. They determined that this meditation exercise should be classified top secret. They also determined this based on findings that were discovered when scientists for the government went to Tibet and did a scientific study on Tibetan monks that live in the Himalayan mountains. What they discovered is that these monks, while meditating on light, were generating a fourth and fifth brainwave called the theta wave, that's the fourth brainwave, and the gamma wave, the fifth brainwave. These brainwaves actually strengthen the cell endurance. So your cells that make up your physical body can become stronger when your brain produces these fourth and fifth brain waves during meditation on light, natural light. If it's night, you can use the stars or you can use a candle flame. And during the day, we have this beautiful, beautiful star that we call the sun. You can meditate on the light of the sun by using a convex mirror. I've discussed this in many videos, but I'm going to continue to mention it throughout the rest of my videos, here and there. So, understand that the meditation exercise on light creates new brain waves. Well, they're not that new, but it strengthens those brain waves because you're producing them while you're consciously awake. And these brain waves strengthen your cells. And theta waves were also proven in a scientific laboratory to kill parasites and viruses. So as your blood passes through your brain while you're meditating on light, you're killing all the parasites and viruses in your blood that can be destroyed using theta energy. An amazing consequence of meditation during long periods is that your heart rate slows down. Therefore, your blood moves a little bit slower through your brain, allowing the blood to be, allowing the blood to receive even more theta energy than it would if it was passing through your blood veins at the faster rate, when your heart's beating faster. So the slower your heart beats, the more parasites and viruses that you're killing in your blood. This is good for you. The less parasites and viruses in your blood, the less chances of you getting sick, and the less your immune system has to work to clean your body and keep you healthy. This provides more energy. Eventually you get to the point to where you need less sleep. And amazingly enough, it also helps you to think clearly. So consider doing these things. Stop drinking your tap water because of the drugs that are in there. Start drinking spring water whenever possible. Not everybody's going to be able to afford this, of course, but try to. When you're eating food, eat organic. Another thing you should know is that they're trying to pass legislation to make it illegal for companies to list whether or not GMO foods have been used in their products. This legislation would itself be illegal, like many other illegal laws that they have out there right now, that they're incarcerating people for. Slowly but surely, people are starting to wake up and say, who made these laws? What maniac created a law that says that these things should be this way. Okay. If they're going to outlaw certain natural products, and then they're going to say that it's illegal for us to know that they've put their unnatural products into our food, this is headed somewhere. It's not a good place. Anyways, back to the subject at hand. To be a vegetarian is to understand that killing animals is bad. And if you're a vegetarian, or if you're thinking about being a vegetarian, or if you've never even considered it, one thing you should consider is watching the video documentary called Earthlings. It's on the internet. I don't think it'll ever be released in a movie theater because it's too controversial. It tells the truth about what you're eating and about the treatment of livestock and living animals that you're fed, the meat, the flesh of those animals. You should know how those animals are treated. PETA has been doing an excellent job of promoting the truth about what's going on, and they get a lot of flack. They get bashed on television by news stations that the reporters are getting paid by the organizations that don't want you to know the truth. So understand that PETA's been trying to bring the truth out. This video documentary called Earthlings does an excellent job of bringing the truth out. And finally, I want to point out that oh, it was just on the tip of my tongue. I was talking about the video documentary Earthlings, the treatment of animals, and PETA, and how this information is being brought forward by these organizations. Oh yes, Horizon, the company that produces organic milk and does not feed their cattle pesticides or GMO foods, and does not put bovine growth hormone into their cattle, they were attacked. And there has been a lot of bad information that was put out into the public to say how this company was mistreating their cattle. Okay, let me just tell you, the bad people are very quick to point the fingers at the good people and try to say that they're doing things wrong. Horizon makes an excellent product for vegetarians. I know vegans don't drink milk, but for vegetarians, Horizon makes an excellent product, and they use a vegetarian-based DHA omega-3 protein or vitamin in their milk. Check it out, people. Horizon has been bashed by the very same people that are trying to poison you. You need to wake up. You need to realize that sometimes what you hear on the news is the exact opposite of the truth. And again, you can't sue the news station for lying to you, because the news is classified as entertainment, and the judge will throw the case out of court and say they don't have to tell you the truth. Thanks for watching.